Hello, everyone. This is Greta from Brilliant Mind Book 10. And today I want to share with you some simple ways parents can help their child to develop early number sense. Number sense can be thought of as flexible thinking and awareness of numbers. For children to develop an understanding of numbers and math concept, they have to be flexible and fluent in their thinking. Number sense cannot be taught. So, parents, it is that rich early experiences that you provide will aid them in their development. Providing children with opportunities at home to practice numeracy skills in exciting and fun ways help to develop number sense and confidence in numeracy. Numbers are all around us in our homes. So engage your child in a fun number recognition activities such as I Spy and Guess the Number using these instruments: the clock, the calendar, the telephone with the numbers, the calculators, the remotes, the computers, the tablets, and anything else that you have at home that have numbers on them. Talking about numbers to your child early and often will help your child recognize numeral and show them that numbers are a part of everyday life. Outdoors, numbers can be seen everywhere. You can see them on houses, you can see them on gate posts, you can see them on the vehicle as they pass, cars, van, truck. So as you explore the outside world with your child, point to numbers around you and talk about them. Doing this will demonstrate to the child that numbers are part of their everyday life. Number sense can develop through songs and rhymes. So you sing counting song daily, or you use rhymes just to familiarize the child with counting. Count real object and touch each object as you count. For example, they're putting on their shoes, you can count 1, 2. Their toys, you can count. You can count fruits, you can count clothes pegs, and you can count the stairs. Here are some rhymes and song, and I'm sure most of you parents will know this because it's a very old rhyme. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hen. Some person says 9, 10, begin again. Whichever one you choose. This is another old one. 10 green bottles standing on a wall. And you count from 10 right down to 1. And if one green bottle should accidentally fall, there are 9 green bottles standing on the wall. And you repeat that until you get down to no green bottles standing on the wall. This is another one that I love so much. It says, 5 little speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating the most delicious bug. Yum, yum. One jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Then there were 4 green speckled frogs. Glub, glub. And you continue until there are no more speckled frogs. This is another one that is an old one as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I let it go again. Why did you let it go? Because it bit my finger so. Which finger did it bite? The little finger on my right. And as children say these rhymes, you can let them show you on their finger. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this is another one. It says, show me 5 fingers. This is another finger one. So it's a good finger play. Show me 5 fingers. Let me see. Show me 4 fingers. Touch your knee. Show me 3 fingers. Touch your nose. Show me 2 fingers. Touch your toes. Show me 1 finger. Let me see. With this finger, point to me. These are excellent songs and rhymes that you can use to teach your children and to help them develop number sense. If this video was helpful today, please like, share, click the notification bell, and subscribe. Or you can reach me at autogmalcolm@yahoo.com. Thank you.